Yeah, so my Invicta just came in. I ain't know nothing about these Jones, but the one I just picked up, I'm feeling it. So we about to open this up, see what it's about. Should have had some scissors or a knife or something. But we gonna get it. That's just me. Try to press the on. There we go. We back. Really? Whole another one. Alright. See if we can get this one easier. Hey, at least it's protected though. I've been searching everywhere for this watch right here. Everywhere it's been sold out. Cause every time I came on too late. So I finally caught it. Hoping ain't no more bags. They be playing games like that. Don't want it to get damaged in shipping, I guess. I respect it. Here we go. Let's see what we got here. Oh man, I see that yellow already. There you go. There you go. Come on up out of here. This corner off. Here we go. Invicta. What that say? Invincible in detail. Alright, let's see what's in the box. Slide that out. And again, I ain't no cameraman. So excuse whatever bad video this is, but it's about what's in this box right here. Let's see. Let's pop this joint open. Here we go. Invicta. I ain't here to promote them, but I want to see what's in here. Can I get it open? That's the question. Let me see. Alright, here we go. Flip up lid. Got the booklet up in here. Sorry about that. Had a little technical difficulty. Got the booklet in here. And here it go. It's the Reserve Venom Fusion Husky John. That's what I was waiting for. Searching all over. All over. How big it is though. It's like they say it weigh like a pound. That's what it feel like, a whole pound. Okay. Hand just sweeping around, no ticking. That's what it's supposed to do. See on the back. The little thing moving. When your wrist move, that's how it winded up. But I just wanted to show y'all first. If I get to opening it up and tearing the papers off, this how it is right out the box. Feel nice in my hand. I'll show y'all round two in a minute. Yeah, so like I said, I'll be back. I had to take care of some stuff today, but I'm back now. We can see what's happening here. Peel this joint off. Give me a minute. So, about to take all the stuff off, tags and all of that. Alright, here we go. We got that. It's wrapped in all this plastic here. See if I can show you. Alright. I don't know what all this is. This joint's super husky though, no doubt. It's crazy. Oh, it's still more plastic all over this joint. I'm thinking I'm doing something. I take all this off. This ain't nothing. Still a whole lot more. Got it on the underside. Then this all still plastic wrap over here. So this little arrow, guess I'll start peeling this next. See what happened. Alright, yeah. It's hard to do this one-handed too, y'all. Just saying. I was just hyped getting it out the box, so I wanted to share it with y'all. You know what I'm saying? This joint is beautiful though. I'm looking at the watch, I ain't even looking at the screen. Just trying to get it all off. They got more direction arrows. This joint wrapped up like a mummy. I get it though, you don't want to scratch that finish on here. It's like mirror polish. Got that, pulled that paper out of there, whatever that was about. Let's see what else we got. Alright, here we go, we getting there. We got him open now. Probably just gotta tear him off of there. I just wanted to see. Listen. This joint super husky. And check it. That's all I wanted to show you. Open up, show you the guts in there. No joke. Let me shake it around, get it moving. I ain't had no power in there. This how it go. Like when your wrist move, that little joint right there, that's how you wind it. So second hand should be moving now. Alright, well I guess I gotta wind it the real way. Just like a hashtag fail army John. Let me see, give me a second. Trying to get it spinning around there. This ain't my first automatic. Believe that. It's my first Invicta though. Alright, 1 second, y'all. Alright, so you pull the crown out. Yeah. So I gotta read the instruction book to see how to manually wind it. I thought me moving it around would be enough to initially get it going. I already had it going earlier, but I had it sitting for hours. So I'm gonna see if this right here is enough. And I apologize for anybody that might be made dizzy. Alright, here we go. Alright, so here we go. Got that joint going. That's from shaking it. I gotta learn how to wind it by hand, but I'm gonna be rocking this a lot, so yeah, ain't gonna be having to do too much winding by hand, but check it. That's all I wanted to show you. This joint is mean right here. Yeah. It's crazy. The Venom. That joint heavy on the wrist too. Trying to show you. Look how big it is. My hand ain't little. Yeah. Like that. Reserve Venom Fusion Shutter. Automatic. Like that, Jim.